Okay, so here we are with another astrojs challenge. This time we're going to create a product page using astrojs and tailwind. So I'm going to start. I've got my product folder already ready. I'm just going to open the terminal, and we're just going to move this here. Okay. All right. Well, let's start. So let's write npm create at latest, and we'll just do the basic, go through each of those, and that will create our project. And then with Tailwind 4 we need to add these, we need to add this. So once that's ready we can do that. Okay, then we need to open Astro config and add this here. And we need to create this styles and global .css. Okay, now we can import that into our layouts file, and that way we can use it with our entire project. And we're just going to call it Astro product page. Okay, so we can close all of those. Now we're going to go to pages index. We're going to remove the welcome, and we are going to delete the welcome. Yep. You know what, I'm going to use daisyui. Let's do that as well. So let's kill the terminal and add daisyui, and we'll just add that to our global CSS. So in theory it should all be working. So with the daisyui, what we're going to do, we're going to go back to daisyui, and we're going to go to our components, and we're going to scroll down until we find hero. So if we expand that, let's go with, should we go with the login form? You know, let's just go with this one, the hero with the figure. Let's copy that. And in our index file, paste that in. And then let's take a look and run npm run dev and see if we got anything. So where are we here? There we go. So we have a product image. Next, we want to look at the components. I believe that there's one called card. So that's the hero. Oh yeah, we did the hero already. So let's go with card. And so we've got long card or card with a badge. bottom image. Okay, could just be an overlay. Could be a card title. So we're going to go with the card with the custom color. So I'm going to copy that. This time we're going to go to components there. Create a new feature card.astro. Okay, copy that, paste that in. So what we want to do, we want to say interface props, and we're going to say we want the title, and which is going to be a string, and then we want text, which is also a string. So we're going to remove the button because we don't need the button, and we're going to add text, and here we're going to say title, but we have to deconstruct it. So let's do that. Const title and text equals astro.props. Yeah. Okay. So just made a dynamic card. So now we can go into index.astro, and we'll say const features equals an array, and we're going to say title feature 1 and text. This is the first feature, and we'll just copy those. Copy that again, feature 2. This is the second feature. Okay, and what we'll do, we'll wrap all of this. Actually, we'll just put it here. We'll say div with a class of grid dash calls dash 1. And then LG grid dash calls dash 3. Okay. And then we'll say features.map feature. And we're going to say feature card title equals feature.title and text change that to MD. And we'll go to the card, and we're going to say, yep, there we go. So now we can add another feature. Third feature. Excellent. So if we, this is the product, these are the features, it's not bad. Okay. And next we want to maybe have this hero form here. So we'll copy that. And we'll go to our product here. Paste it in, and instead of login now, we'll say register now. email, remove the password, and say register. Okay. With the image max width, let's say width full object cover height 38. Okay, then I will change the image to be an image that we select. We'll just call it product image, and we'll do it here. Const product image equals this, and then what we'll do, go to Unsplash, and we will get a product. Let's go for a shoe, and we'll make sure that we make it's free. And yeah, let's go with this one. Let's copy image address, and we will add it here, and that should work. Okay, and instead of box office news, I'll change that to product title, and I'll make everything text center. There we go. And this form can be max width MD Excel. Actually, we'll just remove the max width and do the same of the email input. We'll add a width full. There we go. And we'll say enter your email. Okay, so we've got features. Okay, so now what we can do, we can turn the first thing here into a component. So we'll cut that, and we'll create a component called product hero.astro, and we know it takes in product image. We're going to ask it for a title, and yeah, we'll do just add a title, and we'll put slot here. And make that. Here we go. Let's say equals astro.props, and then we will import product hero title equals product title, and product image equals product image, and that's this. So here we go. So now that that's that, and we can change these feature cards to background red 500. Excellent. And we'll do the same with the button. So if we go back to the index page, and we'll do the same here, red 500, and the same inside product hero, red 500. Red dash 500. There we go. You know what? Actually, we don't need this this button. And there we go. So we've got a nice product title, register, call to action. Oh, we'll change this register button. Let's make sure that we do that. So that's BG dash red. Yep, okay. And we'll say text 3XL. Padding 4. Actually, yeah, we'll just leave it as it was. Okay, I think we're going to remove the W full. I think that was a mistake to have added those. And we're going to remove this H screen as well. So let's take a look. Okay. Okay, it's close to what we want. So we've got the product title, all the features, and we're just going to make this a little bit more interesting. Sorry, you can't see the clock. Okay, so that works. So we're going to remove the shrink as well. Let's see if that makes a better. No, that doesn't make a difference. Okay, so okay, so that's pretty nice. But like I said, we need to move this over here. Running out of time. I'll make this big. Okay. Right. So we're not going to do that. We're going to say MD flex row. We're not going to do reverse. We're just going to do flex row. And that should, yeah, that's what it's going to be. So basically, yep. And I want the last part of the form here. Let's see. Let's let it go with 4. I want it to stretch. I don't know why it's not stretching. So I did the W full here, I think. Right, W full. Excellent. So now we say here. Okay, but there's this huge gap on this side. So let's make sure everything is going to the middle. Let's do mx-auto. Excellent. And we can maybe make this button bigger and the email bigger. So let's do that. So we're going to go width full and the button btn-lg. Yeah, excellent. Okay, and let's make the feature card. We can say text, font, bold, text, 4XL. That's better, isn't it? And we can say min dash h dash screen. Let's just see what it looks like. Oh wow, that's really big. So I'm going to say min height 96. Maybe that's a bit too much. Maybe say 36. Okay, awesome. So there you go, there's a quick product page. We can even add anything else you wanted to add. Maybe you could add a gallery, maybe daisyui as a gallery we could use. So let's go with components. And doesn't seem to be gallery. Oh, there's a carousel. Okay, do a carousel. I think we'll just leave it as it is now. Oh, we can even do a countdown. That's pretty cool. Let's try that. Let's add this countdown. So we'll copy that, which is okay. And go to the index. Actually, we'll make a component out of it, make it easier. Countdown.astro, and we'll add it here. Countdown. And we'll import it. Components / countdown astro. Okay, so we want it, let's move it to where we actually want it. So we probably want it inside, yeah, right here. And I'll make sure that it's mx-auto, grid flow, columns, yeah. Text center. Okay. Alright, we've got the countdown there, but it's not doing anything. So, what we're going to do is we're going to use this. I'm just going to copy that here and add that down here. See if that does anything. No, okay. It was very nice actually. We don't need to do this. Well, we could figure out a way to get it working, but that's, don't know why it doesn't want to go to the middle. I'm just gonna say this, see if that makes a difference. If it doesn't, I'll change it back, but oh yeah, it does make a difference. Okay. Oh, that was actually pretty cool, but no, I'm gonna leave it how it was. And there we go. So there's a nice little product page with a title and some features and a registration button. People can enter their email, and that is all created with astrojs, daisyui, and tailwind CSS in under 30 minutes. Obviously, you could add more to it if you want, but that's how it goes. Okay. Thank you. Please like and subscribe if you want to see any more.